Hi everyone, myself Purva Patil. My coordinator name is Ankita Bhoiran Dipali Sonare from Shivajirao S. Zondale College of Pharmacy, Asangaon from final year B Pharmacy. Today we are discuss about raw material specification of aspirin under the guidance of Professor Geeta N. Mohire ma'am, sub in charge of our college. Experiment number 27. Aim. Raw material specification of aspirin. Requirements. Apparatus like beaker, test tube, spatula, spectrophotometer. Then chemicals. Aspirin, sodium bicarbonate, alcohol, chloroform, salicylic acid, water and acetonitrile. These are the apparatus which is used in this practical. This is the lab spatula. This is a glass test tube, beaker and crucible tongues. Principle. To produce hard aspirin tablets, cornstarch and water are added to the active ingredient like acetyl salicylic acid to serve as both a binding agent and filler along with a lubricant. Binding agents assist in holding the tablets together. Fillers like diluents give the tablets increase bulk to produce tablets of adequate size. A portion of the lubricant is added during mixing and the rest is added after the tablets are compressed. Lubricant keeps the mixture from sticking to the machinery. Inference. Arsenic. The resulting solution complies with the limit test for arsenic 2 ppm heavy metal. It should not contain more than 10 ppm of heavy metals. Chlorides. 25 ml of filtrate complies with the limit test for chloride 30 ppm. Sulfate. 10 ml of filtrate comply with the limit test for sulfate 650 ppm. Radially carbonizable substances. Any color produced is not more intense than that of reference solution. Salicylic acid. Mix the contents of the cylinder after 30 seconds. The color in the cylinder containing test solution is not more intense than that in the cylinder containing the standard solution 1%. Assay. The difference between the titration represents the amount of sodium hydroxide required. 1 ml of 0.5 m sodium hydroxide is equivalent to 0.04504 gram of C2H2O2.
We should take the beaker, measuring cylinder, test tube, spatula, bromine water, anhydrous carbonate, arsenic acid. These are the arsenic acid and anhydrous carbonate. We take a 5 gram of arsenic acid and 3 gram of anhydrous carbonate, which are add in a beaker. Then take a 10 ml of bromine water. This bromine water add in a solution.
Conformation of heavy metal. Dissolve 2 gram in 25 ml of acetone. Add 1 ml of acetone and add 1 ml of water and 10 ml of hydrogen sulfide solution. Conformation of chloride. Boil 1.75 gram with a 75 ml of water for 5 minutes. Conformation of sulfate. Then filtrate is obtained for chloride. Relative substance. Determined by liquid chromatography. First test solution. Dissolve 0.1 gram of substance under examination in acetonitrile and dilute into 10 ml with the same solver. Second, chromatography system. Third, flow rate is 1 ml per minute. Fourth, spectrophotometry set at 237 nm. Fifth, injection volume at 10 UL.
Relative substance determined by liquid chromatography. First is a test solution. Dissolve 1 gram of a substance under examination in acetonitrile and dilute to 10 ml with the same solvent. Second is chromatography system. Third is flow rate 1 ml per minute. Fourth is spectrometry set at 237 nanometer. Injection volume at 10 UL. We are thankful to our President, Honorable Dr. Shivajirao Zonle Sir, Secretary Honorable
Dr. Geeta Khare ma'am and Principal Dr. Niti Mohire sir for encouragement and guidance, efficient use of social media to spread knowledge through making informative videos. Please like and subscribe our channel for such informative videos. Thank you.